Hi everyone, and hello mga Matitibay. Welcome to another episode of Miss Matibay Adventure! Okay, so we are back once. Thank you. Okay, so we are back once again, once more, and our adventure for today is hair beautification. And yes, as you can see, I just had my hair bleached, and so itatransform natin to into a more fashionable and basta mas magandang tone or color kasi as you can see, 'di ba, usually pagka nagpapa-bleach tayo, meron siyang yellow shade or yellow tone, and tas meron ding orange shade. As you can see, dito naman sa ilalim yung orange na tone niya. So hindi natin bet yung mga ganon kasi we don't want to look like batang hamog o yung mga batang tanso outside because that's not cool. Okay, so marami sa atin na yes, makapagpa-bleach lang, mag-lighten lang yung hair na ganito, feeling nila ang ganda-ganda na. No! I've discovered something for to help you improve the color of your hair. So pagka ganito kasi, 'di ba, parang hindi siya ganun kaganda tignan. Parang it's not presentable. So, I've discovered a way without coloring the hair. And I've discovered a product as well. And that product is charan! Kita niyo ba? Yes, this is Perfect Ash. This is what we call purple shampoo. So what's the purpose of this purple shampoo? Before I answer that, let me share with you something na sa color wheel, purple is directly located on the opposite side. Yes, on the opposite side of color yellow. Ibig sabihin, if they are on the opposite location, they contradict each other. So it means to say that purple can cancel out or can make teddy bear the color yellow. So patayin niya yung yellow color neto, yung pagkatanso or yung pagkakalawang, diba? It looks kalawang. And by the way, if you can see, meron pa rin ako mga black hair, black na part, kasi ang gusto kong ma-achieve is yung ombre effect. And of course, sa nipis ng hair natin, sus Maria Day, hindi nakakayanin pagka binleach pati yung anit. Baka makalbo tayis. Because as we all know, bleaching the hair is a very dangerous act. Yeah, it's very dangerous. So it's better if a professional would do it for you. Madalas kasi nagdi-DIY tayo, syempre para makatipid. Alam mo na, we have to be practical nowadays. But if you can afford naman, or if you have a friend who can apply it to you, just to make sure na hindi ka ma-aksidente or walang chismis sa anit mo, kasi nakakasugat talaga siya ng anit. So ako, dahil manipis yung hair ko, tsaka madali talaga siyang maluto. So isang patungan lang to, tapos mga lang siya, less than mga 15 minutes lang yata, pinabanlawan ko na agad. Tapos nagulat ako na ganyan na agad siya. So again, as you can see, nakikita nyo naman, ito yung orangey part. And then dito sa taas, yung pagka yellow thingy. So I really hope na this purple shampoo will also be effective to my hair. By the way, before this, I was able to watch a lot of YouTube videos na gumamit na nito, and oh my god, the result is very promising. I just hope that I will also achieve the same result. Sana. So, ngayon, i-apply natin siya. The way to apply this is, ano lang, parang nag-a-apply ka lang ng gel sa hair mo. So, I was able to research that it would be more effective if we are going to apply it on our dry hair. So, apply na natin, and let's see what would be the result. I'm so excited, and I just hope na ma-achieve yung color na gusto ko. Actually, ang expected color ko dito is yung medyo grayish, or dito sa light, sa taas yung light yellow part. Nakita ko sa kanila sila, parang nagwo-white siya. So, parang Daenerys ang peg. So, let's see if that would also be the case for my hair. Shampoo.
Huwag mo na sana akong tanongin dahil hindi bago yan. Hindi tayo magagtapon, purple no?
Yeah, basta lagyan mo lahat na.
Ano ba yung bago siya in-order yung review?
Oo.
Goods naman?
Oo.
Good siya sa nagba-bleach?
Ginagawa nila yan sa US. Hindi lang tayo updated. Magugulat ka na lang dahil after.
Ilang minutes bago dito?
30. Kaya bilisan mo, kailangan lahat ma-cover mo.
Wait lang, kala mo magtatrabaho sa salon para ganun kabilis
Hindi pwede yung kailangan lahat ma-cover lahat ng...
Wala sa'yo, I got you.
Kailangan lahat yung mag-dark dahil sa purple shampoo Tweety bird. Wow! Oh my god, iba talaga si Chef Marcus. Wow, ang sarap ng feeling when you're having a beautiful casting session with, oh my god, this is so wow. Wow, with mushrooms and everything. Taste. Ayusin mo yan, pre, sa'yo nakasalali ang ikagaganda ko dahil.
Ano yung appliance to? Legit to.
Talaga, oo nga.
Hindi ko mula ito, hindi ko sana kasi...
Pantara, ang galing. Yay. In fairness, you're doing a great job. Pero nasa ka naman ang pagkano. Kasi bigyan mo na ganun. Oh, my chismis!
May konti.
Hindi normal lang yan. Normal lang.
You're turning me, oh. You know, napakadulas na, oh. You know, wala
At
sa
saka,
akin to.
wala na yung kulit ka lawang, no? Yay!
Upside down.
Teka naman magana, hindi bubola ulit lagi.
You're turning upside down. Tayo mo yan, tayo mo mawala yung basahin.
Talaga? Talaga yung
Yeah.
Why?
Tayo mo na dyan, ma. Ma. Tayo mo na dyan, ma. Tapos na tayo, ma. What are you waiting for, ma?
Parang yung waiting for ma. Yung ginagawa niyo ko na yun.
Parang gagawin. Asa mo, pre? You know!
Parang may yellow pa rin.
Hindi, pre. Kasi tuyo yan. Basa ka yan, eh. Antay pa yung natuyo. Wala akong blower dyan.
Wala. Ay, ang ganda ng Dort. Ang ganda! Ang ganda pa ng kulay niya, no?